We're preparing to leave for vacation tomorrow. I'm going to Jamaica for a week with the family, and packing with the kids is a complete chess game. You want to be a few moves ahead. This right here is awesome. This little bad boy. This is where I can take Journey's complete car seat out of the car, place it on here. If I lift it up and lift this handle up, it operates as a stroller. Packing for a week trip in Jamaica is a chess match all the way. This is all beach gear, swim diapers, a few towels, some toys, flip flops. This bad boy is like a beach chair. We can put Justice's car seat in there and check it on the airport there. And then we come around here. It's really taking care of the kids, because adults, we kind of gotten this thing down to a science. And the girl stuff, Mom has been hooking it up. We got all different sexes.
And we have the dragon in here.
You still got the dragon in there?
Yeah.
And so that's all the girl stuff. We got the girl stuff and a beach bag.
Yeah, we have girl stuff. I have girl stuff for me.
You ready to go to the beach?
No, we don't do
Yes,
that.
we're going to the beach together as a what?
Family.
As a family. So you ready to go as a family?
Yeah.
Awesome.
But we're going later, Dad.
We're going later. And then Mama's still packing stuff, different bags and things. So now you got sub bags. These are bags off bags. Band-Aids, just as sleep right there on the monitor. Extra stuff in here. This is what's going to be on somebody's backpack, probably mine. This is Journey's backpack. It'll be on her shoulders. And then we come over here. I need to get to the beach because my nose is stopped up. Dad has his stuff, and Mom has her stuff. That's pretty much it. So Mom and Dad take medium bags. Kids take large
For my
bags.
baby.
Yes, for your baby, my love.
Yeah.
And that's it. We're ready to go to the beach. So what makes a successful travel day when you're traveling with two kids and your beautiful wife as well as yourself for a vacation? Preparation. You have to think of moves, 2-3 moves in ahead. Preparation. Make sure you're taking care of yourself first. Hydrating well, eating well, resting well, because a 3-hour delay here, a bathroom accident here, this, that, there, can make a travel day into a marathon. So it's already going to be heightened and intense as it is, because the kids are going to be out of their normal environment. People are going to be missing nap time and things of that nature. So the main important thing is just to... Baby, Daddy's talking. That's kind of rude. You know you've been a little rude. You want to apologize? Will you apologize, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. So the main thing is just to be a team, communicate with one another, keep a positive attitude, and just look for the final destination. It's about, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it, babe? Like 5 what? 5:45? So that's how the stroller works, 5 o'clock in the morning. So that's how the little stroller works with the car seat, and you attach it to, and Journey's still in the car seat. Backpack. Daddy has a backpack on. Mama has a backpack. And we got a big backpack right there. And yeah, so we're on our way to vacation. And this is how we do it. Dun, 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 dun. Traveling in style with my boo. Waiting on Mama to come out the bathroom. Oh, there go Mom over there. Traveling in style. To heaven.